Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In our first video, we understand what Excel is and why it is so powerful. Today, we'll take the next important step, understanding the Excel screen. If you clearly understand today's video, I promise Excel will never scare you. What you will learn today. In this video, you will learn what is workbook and worksheet, what are rows and column, what is cell, Excel ribbon, tab, menu, how everything works together. This is foundation knowledge, so watch till in the end. Workbook and worksheet. First, let's understand two very important words. Workbook. A workbook is the Excel file itself. Example, if you have the save a file named salary.xlsx, the entire file called workbook. And the worksheet, inside one workbook, you can have many sheets. Each sheet called worksheet. Bottom of the Excel screen, sheet 1, sheet 2, like this. Think like this, workbook is a book, worksheet is a page of the book. And what about the rows and column? Now look at the Excel grid. That rows means horizontal lines, numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. Columns, vertical lines named as A, B, C, D. Where a row and column meet, that place is very important. Why? Because we will talk about cell. What is a cell? That meeting point is called cell. Example, column A and row 1 is A1. See, this is the cell A1. A cell is where you type number, write text, you use formula. Remember this line, Excel is all about with the cell. What is active cell? The cell which is currently selected is called the active cell. You will see a bold border around it. Cell name shown in the name box. Whatever you type goes in the active cell. Ribbons and tab. Now look at the top area of the Excel. This is called ribbon. This ribbon is divided into two tabs like home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review, and view. What about the home tab? What is the home tab? Most important for the beginner, here you find font, size, and bold, italic, alignment, number formatting. For now, focus only home tab. Don't try to learn everything at once. Now let's talk about quick access toolbar. At the very top, you will find a small icon like save, undo, and redo. Like this quick access are the toolbar. This is called a quick access toolbar. It helps you to work faster. For the beginner tip, if you look confusing, remember, you don't need to understand everything today. Let's step by step and practice little every day. Even export started exactly where you are now. At the summary, today you learn workbook, worksheet. What is the workbook? This is the book, and worksheet is the pages of the book. Rows, column, cell, ribbon, and tab. Active cell. This is your Excel map. So if this video help you, like this video, comment Excel day 2 completed, subscribe for the day 3. In the next video, we will start real Excel work, typing data and the formatting it. See you in the day 3. Thank you so much.